Stop wasting candle supplies. If your candles keep failing, it's not your fault. You were never taught the right method. Most beginners struggle with weak scent throw, tunneling, soot, wrong wick sizes, wasted wax, and inconsistent batches. And it feels so frustrating when you don't know what went wrong. But once you learn the correct formulas, ratios, and wick pairings, your candles finally start to turn out beautiful consistently. And that's exactly what I teach inside my candle making course, Rustic Candle Secrets. And for Black Friday week, you can get the full course for 90% off, just $97 for lifetime access. This is the beginner roadmap I wish I had when I started. I've helped countless candle makers learn the right way to make clean burning, strong scented candles without wasting money on failed batches. If you want to stop guessing and start creating candles that you're proud of, now is the time. Tap the link in the description below and you'll get instant lifetime access to the course while it's still 90% off. This deal ends very soon, and once it's gone, it's gone. If you've been wanting to make your own candles and you're tired of wasting supplies, don't wait. Grab this course while it's only $97. And I'll see you on the inside. But I really can't wait to see all the candles you create. Before you go, let me show you exactly what you'll learn inside Rustic Candle Secrets, because this is the part most beginners get excited about. You're going to learn how to pick the right wick, the right wax, and the right fragrance load, so your candles burn clean, smell strong, and actually look professionally made. I also walk you through fixing tunneling, stopping soot, and getting that beautiful even melt pool every single time. And the best part, you get lifetime access so you can learn at your own pace and come back anytime you need help. So if you're tired of wasting supplies or guessing your way through candle making, the full course is linked for you in the description and pinned comment below. Grab it while it's still 90% off this week only, and I'll see you inside.